Welcome to Top Tropicals. My name's Dave, and today we're going to talk about the Vietnamese pepper, or the Lalot. Now, this is a very fast growing and fast spreading vine. Actually, if you would like to grow this plant and you're in a subtropical environment, I would actually recommend to keep the plant in a pot because it does shoot out rhizomes, kind of like a spreading bamboo, and it will spread, up to 50 feet. So it will definitely get all over your garden. If you don't want that, keep it in a pot. It is actually used medicinally in parts of Asia, and some of the extracts that they make out of this plant are said to relieve some pain in bones. So it is a pain reliever for some people, and it also is said to relieve gas. So if you're having any bloating, it's supposed to help you with that. This plant is good for eating as well. You can actually eat it by wrapping meat in the leaves, and you can bake it, broil it, steam it, whatever way you'd like to cook it, and it gives a nice little kind of licorice flavor, very mild licorice flavor to the meat you're cooking in. It's very popular in Vietnam. And not only that, you can also eat the leaves raw or cooked in stir fries or salads. I actually really like the taste of this. It's unique. It kind of reminds me of a katuk or something like that. We have these here at Top Tropicals. If you're not local to the Fort Myers area, you can actually get online to toptropicals.com and we'll send it to you right to your door. But if you are local, come on down to our Fort Myers location and pick one up today.